Hello everyone and welcome to Math Made Easy with Frida. Welcome to part 1 of Algebra, in which we will be covering the basics. The basics are supposed to be covered by the 7th grade normally, so this is just a refresher. So let's start with what is algebra? Algebra is basically the arithmetic that we know: basic addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. But now we include variables while solving problems. Variables are nothing but alphabets like X, Y, and Z, which represent a number. Let's see an example. In basic math, we would say 3 plus 2 equals 5. But when we say X plus 2 equals 5, we can easily see here that X is equal to 3. This basic math turns to algebra when we bring in variables like X and Y and Z, which is basically just a letter which represents a number. And many times these variables represent many unknowns which we try to find. Algebra uses numbers, which are positive and negative numbers. Algebra uses fractions, A over B fractions, and other operations like the square root, numbers squared, numbers cubed, etc. One thing about in algebra that we have to clear right now is the use of the multiplication sign X. Let's look at 2x. All right? 2x actually means 2 times x. We do not write the multiplication sign. It is understood when we say 2x, that means 2 times x. Or if I say x, y, z, this is actually equal to x times y times z. These multiplication signs are not required in algebra. It is understood when we write x, y, z. This means x times y times z. Now let's move on to numbers.